If you're thinking about starting a career in cybersecurity, one of the best entry-level roles is becoming a SOC Analyst. But what exactly does a SOC Analyst do? In this video, I'll explain what a SOC Analyst is, the skills you need, tools you must learn, and how to become one. Let's get started. Who is a SOC Analyst? A SOC Analyst works in a Security Operations Center SOC. Their main job is to monitor security alerts, detect threats, investigate suspicious activity, respond to incidents. SOC Analysts are the first line of defense against cyber attacks. What SOC Analysts do daily? A typical day includes monitoring security alerts, investigating suspicious activity, identifying threats, responding to incidents, writing reports. They use tools to analyze logs and network traffic. Tools SOC Analysts use. SOC Analysts commonly use Wireshark for network traffic analysis, Splunk for log analysis, Microsoft Sentinel for threat detection, IBM Radar for security monitoring, Security Onion for network security monitoring. These tools help SOC Analysts detect threats quickly. Skills you need to become a SOC Analyst: learn networking basics, Linux fundamentals, Windows fundamentals, security fundamentals, log analysis, incident response basics. These skills help you detect and analyze threats. Beginner roadmap. Here's a simple roadmap. Step 1. Learn networking. Step 2. Learn Linux basics. Step 3. Learn Windows security. Step 4. Set up home lab. Step 5. Learn Wireshark. Step 6. Learn SIEM tools. Follow this roadmap and you'll be on your way. Why SOC Analyst is great for beginners. SOC Analyst is great because 1. Beginner-friendly. 2. High demand. 3. Good career growth. 4. Hands-on learning. Many cybersecurity professionals start as SOC Analysts. If you're serious about becoming a SOC Analyst, start learning today. Subscribe to Cyberize Institute for practical cybersecurity labs, tutorials, and career guides. See you in the next video.